In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list in more places on Facebook Marketplace with this comprehensive 2025 guide. Facebook Marketplace is a great platform for buying and selling items within your community, and today we'll walk through how to get your listings noticed by more people. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to head over to Facebook. Open up your browser or your Facebook app and log into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look over to the left side of the screen where you'll see a menu with various options. Scroll down until you find See More and give that a click. This will expand the menu options. Next, you're going to want to click on Marketplace. This is where all the buying and selling action happens on Facebook. In the marketplace, the layout is similar to the main Facebook feed where you can browse items for sale. To create your own listing, look for the Create New Listing button, typically found on the left side of the page. Click on it to begin the listing process. Once you've clicked on creating a new listing, you'll be prompted to choose your listing type. You have a few options here, such as items for sale, vehicle sales, property rentals or sales, and jobs. Select the option that best matches what you're selling or offering. After selecting your listing type, it's time to fill in the details. Facebook will ask for information like the title of your item, its price, and description. Be as detailed as possible. Clear and thorough descriptions tend to attract more interest. Keywords are your friends here. They help potential buyers find your listing when searching. Now, onto the fun part, adding photos. Good images can make or break your listing, so take clear, well-lit photos of your item from multiple angles. Facebook allows you to upload several photos, so use this feature to give a comprehensive view of what you're selling. Pictures that accurately represent your item will also help reduce misunderstandings or disputes later on. Once you've completed your listing information and added your photos, click on Next to proceed. This step will take you to the audience selection. Selecting the right audience can significantly boost your listing's visibility. Facebook allows you to share your listing in various groups you're a part of, which can broaden its reach. Before finalizing, take a moment to review everything. Double check for any errors or missing information. When you're satisfied, click Publish to make your listing live. Congratulations, your item is now up for sale on Facebook Marketplace and posted across multiple groups, increasing the likelihood of catching the eye of a potential buyer. That's it for today's guide on expanding your reach within Facebook Marketplace. By following these steps, you can ensure your listings have the greatest chance of success. Happy selling, and see you next time.